Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing really well. I have an unboxing to share with you guys today. I ordered last week, I believe it was, from LUME Deodorant, LumeDeodorant.com, a bundle of deodorant. I bundled. There's a couple different things I got. I got a free item that's like a mystery item, all kinds of goodies. So I picked it up today at the post office, and let's get into it. I believe I bundled 5 items, and then I think you get like a free small size, and then they ask you for $5 if you want a free mystery full-size item. And of course I was like, yeah, why not? So we will see what all is in here. Okay, that didn't work very well. Besides the items that I bundled, I've been using LUME for a while, and actually I got Megan, my barn bestie, turned on to it as well, and she's like, I love it. So she's been using it as well. The active ingredient, so it's a deodorant. It helps you not stink. It doesn't just mask it. What it is, like the active ingredient that kills the stinky bacteria, is a small percentage of mandelic acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid. I believe it's like usually 3%, but it works really well for me. So let's get in. Oh, look at all the goodies. Okay, so they've got like deodorant, they've got like various types. They've got cream, they've got stick, they've got spray, they've got body wash, they've got laundry add-ons, all kinds of stuff. So I generally use, this is their whole body deodorant. So this one is in their lavender sage scent. This one is their clean tangerine, which I really like, and you'll see in a minute. Here's another clean tangerine. Here's another clean tangerine. You can tell, like, going into summer, I decided that tangerine isn't the worst thing in the world. I do like, they actually have bar soap, and I do use it, and it lasts a long time, but my bar soap that I have is almost gone. So I ordered one of the lavender sage and one of the clean tangerine, and these are like a hard bar soap. Then here's my, like, because I bundled all this, this is the like little size, and this is 1.5 ounces. This is the acidified body wash, which I really like, you guys. It works really well, because if you're really trying to like prevent the stinkies, using an acid body wash really helps. And you don't want to use something that's like super duper acidifying, because you don't want to do damage to your skin. The nice thing about mandelic acid is it kills the bacteria, but isn't going to like damage your skin. So let's keep going, because I do get more items. I did get a couple of the body washes, like I mentioned. This one is the clean tangerine, and the size on these are 8.5 ounces. So I do find that using the body wash and the deodorant sticks in the summer are perfection. This one is unscented. I thought I would try an unscented. Then they sent me some more stuff. This is the whole body deodorant invisible cream in unscented. So this could be something you could use, like throw it in your purse, backpack, purse, whatever, to keep with you if you realize you didn't quite put enough on there. You know, you can definitely use that. The nice thing about the cream is you can just put a little on your hands and rub it wherever you need to. If you know those nether regions and things, you can use that. And then the final item is a 3-ounce invisible cream whole body deodorant. So that's awesome. I think this might be the mystery item. Honestly, like, I know I ordered all the deodorants, and I know I ordered the soap, and I know I ordered these. So I think, like, these might have been freebies, and I think this is probably considered like a full-size free item. Or maybe it might have been one of these might have been the $5 full-size item, but I'm excited about all this. I will use all this happily. I love it. I guess the one thing that I hemmed and hawed about trying, and I didn't purchase it, They do have a laundry thing that you can like either add to your laundry, you can pre-treat. I do have their pre-treat spray, but I think they've got a new product out there where you can like hand wash. You might fill up a tub with water in this pre-treat and then soak your like super stinky clothing in, which, you know, like if you're outside in the summer, if you've got kids doing athletics, if you're outside gardening, or you're walking, you're running, you're biking, you're whatever you're doing, and you're sweating a lot and you are stinky, or you've got clothing that just holds the stink, that's supposed to help get that out. So yeah, I got kind of quite the haul here. 2 of the acidified body washes, which I will put one of them right away into my shower. I got the 2 soaps, which is good timing on these because I am down to like just a little bit of soap left on the last bar I had. And they do last a while. I think this is probably going to go into my purse or backpack. Or this will, or both, at some point. This is kind of a nice little overnighters acidified body wash. So if you're going somewhere for the weekend, that's a really nice. I'll hang on to that in case I go travel somewhere. And then I do have my deodorants, and I actually go through these fairly quickly. And I can tell you that they have aerosol. If you really like aerosol deodorant, they do have that as well. They've got a bunch of products, guys, but you can find this and the aerosol at Walmart. I'm not sure about all the other stuff, what they have that's available at Walmart, but some of this is available at Walmart. And I did pick up an aerosol body deodorizer. So I'm curious to try that. Now they also, not only do they have this whole body deodorant, they have one that's an antiperspirant. So they have that as well. But I will leave a link down below. I think it might be an affiliate link where it's like you get a coupon, I get a coupon. But I'll leave that down below. But yeah, I've been using LUME for a while. You know, every now and then you guys will see I'll use some other, like a secret spray or something. I do sometimes use that if I know, like especially in winter, if I know I'm not doing anything that's going to cause me like major sweat where I might really get stinky, I'll just use that. But going into spring, summer, I needed a restock on all this. So yeah, I'm a fan. I've been using this for a couple of years now. So like I said, I turned my barn bestie, Miss Megan, onto this as well. She really likes it. So I'm not sure what all products she's using besides the deodorants, but I'll have to ask her. But I love it. I recommend it. Like I said, I really feel like their acid body wash or acidified body wash and a version of their deodorant go really well together. So this kind of kills all the bacteria on the body, the stinky bacteria, and then you kind of reinforce it with this. And I don't know if you guys can see this. They do claim it works for 72 hours. Now, I generally shower pretty much daily, which means this is kind of coming off. But in theory, if you put enough of this on, you should be covered. That acid that's in here should be killing the bacteria for about 3 days. So that's kind of nice. Yeah, let me know if you got questions, guys. I can also, like I said, highly recommend the bar soap. I was using that because I didn't have any of the body wash. It works really well. So I kind of will probably go back and forth on the bar soap and the acid body wash. So yeah, can't say enough good things about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, let me know if you got questions, but hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.